guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today, as you can see, we're gonna be building my Lego Mario Kart from Mario Kart 8 or any Mario Kart design as you desire. So yeah, let's start doing this. Starting off, here are all the pieces that you'll need for your Mario Kart. It's not much, but I think it's really simple design and all. So yeah, let's go. And there you can see there is my Mario Kart, and it's a really simple design. Here's the bottom if you haven't seen it. It's really small but size accurate to Mario himself. Now let's show you Mario. Okay, as you can see, Mario is a really simplistic figure. It's the same Mario that I'm gonna be using for my Super Smash Bros. Movie. He doesn't have a mustache, so that's pretty bad, but you can add one. I do not have any of those pieces, so that's why it's not included one, but it would look really good if you add one, and you can add a minifigure with a printed mustache mustache on a face. Damn. You get the point, So yeah, there is my Mario, and you can give an accessory. I gave him a red Koopa shell, pretty easy to build. I stacked it up with two round 2x2s, a 2x2 flat, and a stud in the bottom so Mario can hold it. Oops. And there we go, guys. That is my Lego Mario and his Mario Kart. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the support that I have been giving to the channel. Follow me on the socials, they'll pop up right here on the screen. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You know who the man is. Super villain landing. My friends call me Ganondorf. You can call me Ganon. Float across the map and bust your ass with a flame choke. Literally whipping Link to ashes. Chain smoke. Swing my cape and throwing up my fist. They try to copy my swag, but they can't do it like this. Anybody ready to better, they might miss. I'm about to break you down with a high kick. Everybody calling me evil like I'm sick. But what would you do with a blade like this? See me swinging my sword, gonna slash your life. I'm taking it by force, gonna smash your wife. She nigga on my floors, menage a trois, we're making it Triforce. Yeah, hit that, better get back, but you better get smacked to the side of the level. I'm the king of the thieves, better think twice when you look into the eyes of the devil. Beast mode, I'm taking on at least 4. I eat foes, you gon' need combos and cheat codes. Please, yo, I don't give a damn about no heat.